We are live. The New York Stock Exchange opened a little over 30 minutes ago, and we saw the overnight run up about 6 points. And we're at a very interesting position. You see the basically like a V recovery, but we don't know if the bulls are going to control this or the bears are going to control this. We have the red line is your 20-day moving average, and your yellow line is your 5-day moving average. So what do we do? Are we going long or are we going short? Well, this is what you prepare for. You don't know. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what's going to happen. So you prepare for both scenarios. And our teacher, mentor, Eric from Spydaytrading, he's prepared us for two scenarios. If we're going to reject this area, we wait patiently and we wait for a head to form, price to come down, breach the orange buying algorithm, and test magenta and break. This is when we would take a short opportunity. That's what we're waiting for a short. So there's no need to guess. We wait for the setups to appear. We wait for the trade to come to us. Now, if it's going to be a bullish scenario, he's also prepared us for that. So we are here now. The cup is closed. We see the cup is closed. We now need to see the price break above the moving averages and come back and retest it to verify that it's going to be a support. Once we can verify that it's going to be a support, price moves up and we have pink algorithms guiding us. The liquidity will be building in the pink algorithm. Then there's your position to take your long. So again, there's no need to guess. The playbook is there. These are the two plays, the bullish play and the bearish play. We just wait for the big boys to make their move, and then we ride their coattails when they decide to either take it up or send it down.